Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason you installed iOS 15 or maybe you're on iOS 14 and your apps keep crashing on you. Now, this happens for a lot of different reasons. I will tell you, first of all, if you're rocking any tweaked apps, so you're rocking something like, an emulator or Snapshot Plus Plus or something, those things crash all the time. So you are better off not watching the rest of this video because it's just going to cause because it's really not going to help you. There's really nothing you can do besides, reinstalling those apps. But I will tell you, for those of you who just installed iOS 15 as a beta, or maybe you installed the latest version of software, you can still experience crashing on your apps even if they're officially downloaded from the App Store. Things like Instagram, TikTok, these apps can cause a lot of issues sometimes, especially if you're on the latest version of a beta. So I'm on iOS 15 right now, and I haven't really had too many apps crashing on me just yet, but I know due time it's going to happen. The very first thing I would recommend doing is to understand that if you're rocking a beta, if you're on the latest version of a beta, you are probably going to experience crashes in some form or fashion. Whether it's full OS crashes or whether it's just apps, you're going to experience some glitchiness, some things like that, because that's what happens when you're on a beta. So that's the first thing you need to understand. There may be nothing you can do, but let's say it's a particular app. Let's say for some reason Fruit Ninja just keeps on crashing on you whenever you open it. It's just every single time you open the app, it just crashes and you don't know what to do. Well, from what I can tell and what I would probably recommend is to simply reinstall this app. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and fully delete Fruit Ninja or whatever the app is. So go ahead and delete it just like so. Make sure it's off your phone. Then what you want to do is you want to click on the App Store, you want to click search, and you want to search for that specific app. So we're going to go ahead and look up Fruit Ninja. There we go. And you want to just literally just re-download this specific app. Now, I did not know they had Fruit Ninja 2, but there we go, here's Fruit Ninja. They honestly should not even allow this app to be on here because is it even made by the same people? I guess it is. I didn't even know there was Fruit Ninja 2, to be honest. But this is essentially the main thing you can do. It's literally just to reinstall this specific, app. And most of the time, this will actually end up fixing it. Now, let's say you do this and the app continues to crash on you. Well, in this specific case, there may not even be anything you can do. You will literally probably have to wait until that specific app manufacturer goes ahead and pushes out an update. So what does this look like? I've had this, experience time and time again. Essentially, apps like TikTok, Instagram, they may have some issues on their back end that will not allow you to go ahead and open up that specific app. So Instagram, for example, or let's just say TikTok, there's been times where I went ahead and went on TikTok and it just kept crashing on me. And the only way for me to fix it is simply just to go on Twitter, read a lot of other people's comments, and they all said that it was not working for them either. And I literally just had to wait until they fixed it. That's all I had to do. And most of the time that ends up doing it. So what I would recommend you doing in that case is just to wait until Instagram pushes out an update and you should be able to be good out. And you should be able to be good and essentially just, reinstall that specific update on this device. So that's essentially it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.